A very good afternoon and Jai Hind to all my dear students. Children, in this module of class 4 mathematics, we are going to understand that how we can draw a line segment. So the first question which I have taken is that we have to draw a line segment of 6 centimeters. How can we draw the line segment with the help of a ruler? Let's see. The first step is, first of all, you have to make a point with a sharpened pencil on a blank sheet of paper. Like this, you have to take a blank sheet of paper. There you will place your ruler, okay? And with the left hand, you have to hold the ruler, and with your right hand, you are going to put a point, okay, exactly over here, right, with a sharpened pencil. So you have got the initial point that from where you have to start making the line segment. In the second step, you have to keep the scale with the 0 mark at the point, right, which we have already done, and then hold the scale firmly with one hand. That means with your left hand you have to hold the scale very tight, very firmly, okay, and with your right hand you have to put a dot here, okay, at the beginning, okay, from the 0 centimeters. Now in the third step, you have to use your other hand, that means your right hand, to draw a line from the point, okay, from this point you are going to draw the line, okay, along the edge of the scale. This is the edge of the scale, so that you can mark 6 centimeters, okay. The line segment should be 6 centimeters long. So here we have got the line segment which is 6 centimeters long. So likewise, if you have to draw a line segment of 4.5 centimeter, you will start from this point, okay, and you will draw a line along the edge of the scale till 4 and then 0.5. That means 4 centimeters will be there, but we also need the halfway mark because we have to show the segment as 4.5 centimeters long. Now dear students, we will see that how we can express one unit in terms of other. We already know that the basic unit of length is meter, okay, and 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So half meter is equals to, it would be 50 centimeter. How come? We have to find out 1 by 2 of 100 centimeters. Likewise, 1 by 4 meter is equals to 25 centimeters. What I have done, I have found out 1 by 4 of 100 centimeters, so it would be 25 centimeters, and then 3 by 4 meters is equals to 75 centimeters, right. So you just have to go through this chart, okay. What it is here, we know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters, so 2 meters is equals to 200 centimeter. What I have done, I have simply multiplied 2 by 100 centimeter. So in 3 meters we have 300 centimeters, 4 meters we have 400 centimeters, okay. So you have to just go through this chart and see that how I have converted the meters into centimeters. Now we will see that how we can find the measurement in centimeter. Here I have taken few examples for you. So quickly see the examples. Now we have to convert 3 meter and a half meter, right. That means 3.5 meter into centimeters. So how we can convert this into centimeter? We already know that 3 meters is equals to 300 centimeter. Here you can see 3 meters is equals to 300 centimeter, and then half meter is what? It is equals to 50 centimeter. So 300 centimeter plus 50 centimeter is equals to 350 centimeter. Then further we have 1 meter and 79 centimeter, okay. So we already know that 1 meter is what? It is equivalent to 100 centimeter. So we will be adding 100 centimeters, okay, to 79 centimeters. So we will get 179 centimeters. And the last question which I have taken is we have to convert 2 meter and 9 centimeters into centimeter, we already know that 2 meter is equivalent to 200 centimeter, and then further I have added this 9 centimeter to it. Okay, so this means that 2 meter and 9 centimeter is equals to 209 centimeters. Now we will quickly see that how we can convert the centimeters into meters. Okay, so the first question or the example which I have taken for you is that we have to convert 250 centimeters into meter. This is what we have, 250 centimeters. So we can write it as 2 meter and 50 centimeter, because 200 centimeter is equals to 2 meter. Okay. Now the next question is 182 centimeter. We already know that 182 can further divided as 100 and 82, 100 plus 82. So what is 100 centimeter? It is equivalent to 1 meter, and then we have 82 centimeter. So we can express 182 centimeters as 1 meter and 82 centimeters. And the last but not the least example which I have taken for you is 302 centimeters. Here we can see that 302 can be written as 300 plus 2 centimeters. How come? Because 3 meter is equals to 300 centimeter. So we can write 300 centimeter as 3 meters and then 2 centimeters. So dear students, I hope you have understood that how we can convert the meters into centimeters and vice versa. So this is all in this module. In our next module, we will be discussing some other facts about expressing one unit in terms of other. So I call it a day, and you have to wait for other module to learn some other interesting fact, okay, about measurement. So take very good care of yours, and Jai Hind.